Hello, my name is Sham Sheth. I'm the CEO for Indomax. Indomax is part of the NKB Technovations group of companies, and we have been a leading player in India's marking and coding industry for over 2 decades. We specialize in solutions specifically for the cable and wire industry, electrical and wire harness industries, specializing in cable and wire solutions, marking solutions, and labeling solutions. We believe that every code matters, and that has been our philosophy. Well, speaking about the India market, the marking and coding industry in India has evolved rapidly over the last 7 to 10 years. The growth is driven by strong compliance requirements, expansion in the packaging industry, and a clear demand for faster and more reliable coding. At the same time, automation and Industry 4.0 is also driving the growth. India is also among the largest and fastest growing economies in the world. So if you're in the marking and coding space, this is certainly exciting times for India. Speaking of a partnership with Leibinger, we have been associated with this brand since 2018, and this partnership has grown very steadily over the years. What we like the best is that not only Leibinger is best in class in terms of German engineering, but then they have the customer-first approach. For us, combination of technology and customer focus is what defines this partnership. What customers like the most about Leibinger? Well, is the Siltronics technology, the non-beatable technology of Siltronics, which makes coding reliable every time you actually start the printer. Customers across industries and geographies consistently look for one key requirement from CIJ printers: reliability. So whether it is FMCG, food and beverage, cable and wire, or steel, the expectation is simple: the printer should work consistently without interruption. This is where Leibinger stands out. Thanks to Siltronics technology, the printer starts instantly even after long shutdown. This delivers true operational reliability and peace of mind to the on-the-shop floor. Secondly, it is also about the lower total cost of ownership. So these two things are the best things about Leibinger: reliability and lowest TCO or total cost of ownership.